Hey guys, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here, and if you haven't seen my documentary yet on the Motherboard YouTube channel, please check it out. The description's in the link below. That doesn't make any sense. The video is in the link below in the description, so check that out. I'm really happy with the way things came out in that video. Thanks everyone for watching it. I really appreciate it. Lee and I really appreciate it. He's in there spray painting something. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but check that out for sure. Lee and I have a lot of work to do on Angela, which is the tan car right there. We have to put all of the electronics in. We have to swap. We have to do something. I am so sick of doing this. It's not even funny. I actually hate this. I really do. I have to keep rehearsing the same line over and over again. This is getting intense. Okay, just watch the damn thing. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and do 50,000 outtakes. Just watch the damn video and the link in the description below. Just watch the video. Click on the link and watch the video. Watch it 4 or 5 times. I don't really care, okay? Just watch the damn thing. I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, Rich from Rich Rebuilds here, and I wanted to thank everyone for watching the Motherboard documentary, which is on the Motherboard channel with the Vice Net. Oh, I said it wrong. All right, one more time. All right, hey everyone, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here. I'm at Advanced Technologies Lee's shop, and there's a car coming. Hey everyone, Rich from Rich Rebuilds here, and I wanted to thank everyone for watching the Motherboard documentary that they did on my channel. Hey everyone, Rich Rebuilds here. I wanted to thank everyone and no, it doesn't make any sense. Hey everyone, Rich Rebuilds here, and I wanted to thank everyone for watching the Motherboard documentary. The link in the description below. I want to thank, hey everyone, Rich from Rich Rebuilds here, and I want to thank everyone for watching the Motherboard documentary. The link is in the description below. That truck is here again. Hey guys, Rich Rebuilds here, and I want to point everyone, thanks everyone for all the support that you've given us over the past few months. Check out that documentary. It ended up really well. I'm really happy with the way it came out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.